Hi, Boo. What are you doing?
Next one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk this way. What are you doing?
Flip it over first. Good idea. That's very smart of you. Okay. You are amazingly strong. I don't know how you got so strong.
That's just what I mean.
And you're careful too. Okay. What do we do next? Good job.
So this is my favorite little almost 8-year-old putting together a media center, just like he did for his mommy. He's very talented, and he can probably do the whole thing himself. What else needs to go to storage?
Good job. Okay, so go ahead and take it apart. Okay, well, you want some help?
Nope. Thank you.
And manners, too.
Yes. Lots of manners. Here, I'll grab this end.
You can set it.
And we'll just move it a little bit over here. Good job of being careful. That's strong. All right. Okay, you ready? We're gonna lift it.
Like this?
Yeah. So let me get on that side.
And we're gonna take that out or...
Yeah, we're gonna pick it up. So we're gonna have to lift it a little, pull it this way, and lift it all the way, okay? So can you lift?